Hi, you must be new here. Welcome to the team.
Thank you. Yes, today is my first day. I'm Ria.
Nice to meet you, Ria. I'm Arjun. So, how are you feeling on your first day?
Honestly, I'm a little nervous but also very excited.
That's completely normal. I remember my first day too, I felt the same. Did you find the office easily?
Yes, luckily I did. I came a bit early just to make sure I don't get late.
Good idea. Punctuality is always appreciated here. Have you met our manager yet?
Yes, I met her this morning. She gave me a brief introduction about the company and my role.
That's great. What position have you joined in?
I'm joining as a marketing executive.
Oh, nice. You'll be working with our marketing team. They're really friendly and helpful.
That's good to hear. I hope I can learn quickly and contribute well.
Don't worry. The first week is mostly about learning. No one expects you to know everything right away.
That's a relief. By the way, what do you do here?
I'm a senior executive in the same department. So, we'll be working together often.
Oh, that's wonderful. Then I'll definitely be asking you for guidance.
Absolutely. Feel free to ask me anything. By the way, did you get your desk and computer set up?
Yes, I just got them arranged. I'm still trying to remember everyone's names though.
That takes time, but you'll get used to it soon. We often have lunch together as a team. You should join us today.
That sounds nice. I'd love to.
Perfect. It will help you get to know everyone better.
Thank you, Arjun. You've really made me feel comfortable.
Anytime. Welcome again, and I'm sure you'll enjoy working here.
Thanks. I'm looking forward to this new journey.
Hi there. You must be new. Mind if I sit here?
Oh, sure. Please have a seat. I'm Samir. It's my first day here.
Nice to meet you, Samir. I'm Neha, from the HR team. How's your first day going?
It's been good so far. A little overwhelming with all the introductions, but everyone seems nice.
Yeah, the first day is always full of new faces and names. Don't worry, you'll settle in quickly.
I hope so. I was afraid I might feel out of place.
Not at all. Everyone here is friendly. By the way, which department have you joined?
I've joined the IT support team. I'll mostly be handling technical issues.
That's great. Our team often depends on IT for help, so I'm sure we'll meet again soon.
Then I'll try my best to be useful.
So, did your manager explain your work plan for the week?
Yes, he said the first week will be mostly training and understanding the systems.
That's good. Take your time. Nobody expects you to know everything from day one.
Thanks, that makes me feel better.
Do you live nearby, or do you have a long commute?
I live about 40 minutes away. The traffic was a bit heavy this morning, so I left early.
Smart move. It's always better to reach on time, especially on the first day.
Yes, punctuality is important.
Absolutely. So, how are you finding the work environment here?
Honestly, I like it. The office is modern, and people are welcoming.
That's good to hear. If you ever need any help, feel free to reach out to me.
Thank you, Neha. I really appreciate that.
No problem. Oh, and we usually have a Friday team gathering after work. You should join this week.
That sounds fun. I'll definitely come.
Great. You'll get to know everyone better. Anyway, welcome again, Samir. Wishing you a successful journey here.
Thanks a lot. I'm excited to learn and grow here.
Good morning, you must be Kavya. Welcome to the team.
Good morning, sir. Yes, I'm Kavya. Thank you for having me here.
How are you feeling on your first day?
A little nervous, but also very excited to start.
That's natural. Don't worry, you'll do great. So, you'll be working as a content writer, right?
Yes, sir. I'll be handling blogs and social media content.
Perfect. We have a strong team, and you'll get plenty of guidance. For the first week, just focus on learning.
Sure, I'll give my best.
Great. We usually start our day with a short team meeting. I'll introduce you to everyone today.
That would be really helpful. Thank you, sir.
Anytime. Once you settle in, I'd also like to hear your ideas. Fresh perspectives are always welcome.
Definitely, sir. I look forward to contributing.
Hi, first day.
Yes, how did you guess?
The new ID card gave it away. I'm Rowan, I work in finance.
Nice to meet you, Rowan. I'm Anita, I just joined the HR team.
Welcome, Anita. How's your first day going so far?
Good, but I'm still learning my way around the office.
Don't worry, in a week you'll know every corner.
I hope so. By the way, is the cafeteria food good here?
It's decent. You should try the sandwiches.
Thanks for the tip.